Can an LLC own property? Yes, an LLC can own property, and this is one of the most common reasons people form LLCs. Holding real estate in an LLC provides liability protection, meaning if something happens on the property, lawsuits are generally limited to the LLC's assets, not your personal belongings like your home or savings. For example, many landlords place rental properties into LLCs, so each property is separated from the others. If one property faces a lawsuit or debt, the others remain protected. This setup also keeps bookkeeping cleaner by separating rental income and expenses from personal finances. The process is simple. The property deed is recorded under the LLC's name, and transactions are handled through the LLC's bank account. This ensures the property is legally tied to the business and not to you personally. Zen Business can help you form an LLC and set it up properly to hold real estate. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. The link is in the description too.